So hello guys, my name is Sam F. Peralta. I live in Illinois, San Juan, La Union. Second year of college at Dimso Mid La Union campus. I'm 21 years old and my course is Bachelor of Science in Technology, a major in automotive. So this vlog, I will teach you how to assemble a whole bike. So, um, my habit is biking. This is one of my favorite sports is biking. So, uh, 1 year off, I learned how to mechanics, how to assemble, tuning, maintenance, the whole bike, like that. So this vlog, I will teach you how to assemble a whole bike. So let's go. Come on. Yo, this is the whole bike that I assembled it. Yes, this is the whole bike. I will teach you how to assemble. So before I assemble it, I will tell the name of by parts of this bike. So first, this is the frame. You can see this is the body or called frame of the bike. So this is KHS, one of the branded frame in the US. This is the medium size. This is medium and 6061 aluminum alloy. So you see that the KHS USA. Next, this is the handlebar. When you buy it, a handlebar is one of the size of this is 800 mm, but you can cut into 700 mm or 680 mm. It's up to you. Third, this is stem of the bike that hold the handlebar. So this is the headset that holds the fork and the stem. So, and this is the fork of the bike, and we have two different fork. This is the shocks and the rigid fork. So the rigid fork is they did not the suspension like this. You pump it that one. So for this is the brakes or the non-series brake Shimano. This one is Shimano. We have Shimano mineral oil. This is a brake fluid. This got two kind of the brakes of the bike. We have mechanical and the hydraulic brakes. So this is the shifter. This is the shifter 10 speed. Yeah, this is 10 speed that we manipulate of the RD to change the this is the rear derailleur or RD. This is the place that mechanism that we change the gear to 1 to 10 or 1 to 7 or 1 to 12, this bracket. So and after that, this is the battle cage that holds the battle, and this is the crank. So crank, they have a two different types of crank. This is the Halotech and the square type or the non-halotech crank, and this is the sprocket. So this is 10 speed sprocket, and this is the FD derailleur, or the front derailleur for the mechanism of this crank. And this is the rotor or this of the brakes, and front and rear. And this is the bottom bracket of the halotech, and this is the pulley of the RD, the quick release, the hub, the lock of the rotor, and the cap of the sprocket, and Shimano branded. And we go to in the seat post. This is the seat post. Saddle. This is saddle. Seat clamp. This is the seat clamp that holds to the seat post. And this is the Jore for left shifter that manipulate the FD or front derailleur for the crank. And this is the wheel set of the bike. This is the hub, and they have three different hub. This is the cassette hub, and threaded type hub, and the microspline hub. So this is the Rios, rim, and the tire. So this is size, and we have three size of the wheel set. We have 27.5, 26er, and 29er. And this is the front hub and the rear hub. So it's the same way of the rear hub. This is the hub, the Rios, and the rim, and this is the tire. So let's go. We assemble it now to the whole bike. So let's go. You put grease into the body of the frame that put the bottom bracket, so that we did not cut off the rust, a little by little. And after that, you get the bottom bracket. So first you read the left. You read the left. This is left, and put the left cup, dust cup. Then this is the spacer for the right. So this is left. Then you put here, and one. So this is the bottom bracket, the finish the bottom bracket. So next is you put the grass to the crank. Then you put the grease over here, a little grease, so that they did not putting you bike it, you did not cut off the rust. This one. So after that, you put here like this, that one, then you push that one. So this is the finish of putting the crank and the bottom bracket. of the mountain bike. So it's good, smooth circling or pedaling the crank. Nice. After, put the RD or rear derailleur there. So let's go. So this is the rear derailleur, and then to put to the good link. So next, so first we put the rotor of in this side, and this side is the cogs or the sprocket. So let's go. So now after putting the cogs in the quick release in the rotor, we put into the frame. So in the rear frame or in the back of the frame. So let's go. So yun. So done putting the wheel set in the rear frame. Next, I will put the other wheel set in the front. So in the same way, the rotor or this will put there in this mechanics. So let's go. So this is done putting the front wheel set of the bike. So next, I will put the shifter left side, and also the FD front derailleur, and the cabling to manipulate this RD or rear derailleur to shift into the into the last part of the cogs. So let's go. Done putting the RD, the cogs, the chain. I forgot, this is one of the part of the bike chain. So the FD front derailleur, we'll put that, the cable of the FD, cable of the rail derailleur or the RD, and the shifter. So let's try it to smoothly release of the shifter into the RD to manipulate the shift sprocket. So let's try it. So one. Oh, smooth. 2. Wow, see that? 3. Really smooth. 4. So it's faster to shifting. Last one. It's really smooth, man. Last one. Whoa. Wow. So the down shifting. Wow, it's really smooth. So let's try the other one, the crank or the rear FD. Let's try it. So pull down. Wow, really smooth up. Oh, can help to push the shifter so that the FD really up. Yeah, that one. Okay, last one, the bigger one, the up. Okay. It's really smooth. Try it to pull down. Last. So it's good. So next one, we'll put the seat clamp and the seat post. So this is the last part of the bike that I can put into the frame. This is the seat post and the saddle. So this is the whole bike that I assemble it. So this is the 29er bike. So yun, let's see. So job is already done. I finished to assemble it. So this is thank you guys for your watching, and I hope that you have learned about assembling the whole bike and the other parts of it.